All right, thank you, Amy. Well, the man responsible for the largest wildfire in San Diego history heads to court today. Sergio Martinez started a signal fire in October 2003 to get help. Instead, that fire destroyed over 2,000 homes and 15 people died. He has reached a plea agreement with prosecutors, and it is expected to plead guilty this morning. Joining us right now to talk about the situation is Shaun Khojayan. He is a former federal defender, now has his own practice, a trial lawyer. Welcome.
Welcome.
First of all, tell me about this plea bargain. What do you expect? What do you think will happen today?
Well, they have struck a plea, it sounds like. Under the federal sentencing guidelines, he was looking at a certain sentence. A plea bargain helps out all the parties, both the victims and the federal government, as well as our federal justice system and the defendant. Come to a certainty and a closure to the case.
Now, you say that it helps the victims, but I would assume there will be some victims that are crying, wait a minute, we should have prosecuted him to the fullest.
Well, the charges he was charged with are 2 counts. One is making false statements, and the other is willfully setting a fire on government property. He's not charged with murder. He's not charged with any sort of criminal negligent homicide. And because if you remember the facts as well as the accounts of the case, Mr. Martinez did not intentionally set these fires in order to hurt anyone.
Right.
He was lost in the forest, and it's quite unfortunate that people died, but his sentence is based on and will be based on what was reasonably foreseeable at the time.
He did lie about it. Would it have gone easier on him had he not lied? Had he come clean right from the start, do you think?
You know, it's difficult to say what he exactly lied about. We don't know what the entirety of the questioning was and what it is specifically that he's going to be pleading guilty to. It all depends on the facts to which he admits. And so if he came clean about it, but clean about what? I mean,
right.
he didn't intentionally hurt anyone, and
right.
So what is there to admit to?
Okay, all right. Now, he could have received up to 10 years had he been convicted on both charges. Any feeling for what he might get? Can you predict what a federal judge might do in this particular case?
It depends on his criminal history, and it depends on, again, what it is that they have agreed for him to, the factual basis. If he has no criminal history, by my calculations, I think it's probably less than 5 years. If he has no criminal history. And again, it depends on several factors. Most important of which, really, is what was reasonably foreseeable. And
right.
So the amount of loss, the homes that were lost and so forth, I mean, it wouldn't be fair for him to
right.
take responsibility or be held accountable for all of those things.
Sure.
And right. That's not what, I mean, again, it's quite unfortunate that people died, and
right.
it's certainly unfortunate that people lost their homes, but he will get what is fair, right. And Judge Benitez will follow what the law says. Well,
Sergio Martinez being sentenced later this morning. We'll find out exactly what will take place. Shaun Khojayan, thank you very much for being with us. We appreciate your comments. It's been